Hello, today we're gonna make the little Easter bunny. So your kit will have one of these heads here. They come in different colors. And you're gonna have 8 11H balloons, 1 clear balloon, small balloons, and the long balloons. And then I have candy to fit into these balloons, the clear balloon. And then this one is 2 balloons inside one another with water. All right. So with this, you're gonna need a pump and the hand pump. And you can do it without this, but this is better. But you just take longer. And this one doesn't damage the valves. These tend to damage the belt here, the valve, but you can, if you're careful, you can use the electric pump. So I'm gonna start out here just to show you. You're gonna fit the pump right into the valve and start pumping it with air. And to do it over here, you're gonna have to use the little long cap there, and you're gonna carefully put it in the valve there. And inflate slowly so you don't pop it. All right, next we're gonna do our base, which is your 11-inch balloons. You're going to size at 8 inches, or you're gonna size at 9, whichever you prefer. I like the 8s. If you don't have a sizer, this is our sizer, you can just use a tape measure, and then maybe put tape on each side and just kind of angle it that way. Or you can use 2 chairs and put them exactly 8 inches across from each other. And you can measure it that way. So you're gonna blow up your balloon. And then you're gonna pass it through until it goes through. And you do them all the same way. So you're gonna hold on to that one, and then you're gonna blow up another one. And again, you're gonna pass it through the chair until it goes through. Then to tie them together, you're just gonna twist 2 times around the necks and tie together. And you're gonna repeat that for all of them until you have all of them done. All right, now that we have all of them done together, you're gonna take 2 and you're gonna crisscross them a few times, and it's gonna form this little quad. You're gonna put that aside, and then you're gonna do the same to the other 2. All right. Then you're gonna put them on, stack them on top of each other so that you get this little space here, and then you get a balloon inside that space. You're gonna take one of the long balloons, you're gonna grab one of the ends, and you can just wrap it around your hand, and then you're gonna wrap it around 2 balloons, 1, 2. You're gonna go around, and then you're gonna wrap it again against 2 more balloons, and then you're gonna keep going until you basically do all of them. base. So I'm gonna take the water balloon that I did, and you're gonna cut one of the long ones in half. I have it here in half. You're gonna wrap it around the neck a few times, and you're going to tie it, and you're gonna stick it in the middle, and you're gonna take the long balloons and you're gonna flip it around and then flip it back nice and tight so the water balloon does not hang. And you're gonna tie that 2 times. So now you have a nice heavy sturdy base. So we're gonna put that aside. Next we're gonna have the balloon, the clear balloon. So in this one, you can use this to blow it up, or you can use, of course, the electric pump, and the electric pump will be way faster, but if you have a lot of time in your hands, you can definitely use the balloon pump, the manual one. So now I'm going to fill in the candy, so you can stretch out your balloon. Don't stretch too hard so you don't break it. You can stick anything you want in there, just as long as it doesn't have sharp edges. I'm just gonna stick these few in there so you get the gist of it, but you can put whatever can fit in there. After that, you're gonna blow it up. To whatever size you want. So this is about 13 to 14 inches, and you always measure across. So that's good enough for me, but you can, this is a 18-inch balloon, so you can go a little bit more. You can go up to 16. I wouldn't go to the actual size because it can pop. So next thing you want to do is we're going to, if you want to put some of these balloons in there, you're going to have to find something that's not too sharp. Stick the 5-inch balloon in there and hold it with your hand. You're going to need the pump, and you're going to give it a few pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you're going to tie it. And I'm going to put a few more. I'm gonna put a little bit more air. And that's about 14. So now I'm going to tie it. And of course you can put anything you can fit in here, but make sure it's not sharp. So I already have pre-attached these long balloons here. And I'm just going to attach them to the balloons. You can go all the way down to the bottom. Make 2 knots. 1, 2. So now it's not going anywhere. Then we're going to take another half balloon and we're going to tie it to the neck. Just a few, wind it a few times around the neck and tie it. So we're going to leave that to the side because next we're going to do the small balloons here. So we're gonna do 4 pumps in each. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, let's do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna tie it. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna tie it. And if you're gonna use the air pump, you're just gonna do the same thing. You're gonna either measure it, that they're about the same. So this is about 4.5 inches. So they should all be about 4.5 inches. Or you could do the same thing that you did with the chairs. Measure 4 inches across 4.5 inches and then slide them through, and that'll give you all the same length. Or you can put the same amount of pumps in each one and they'll have the same length as well. Two together. And then you're going to tie these two together. And then you have this. So now we're going to do what we did to the big ones. We're going to crisscross them and make a flap. There. And we're going to tie it. I don't know if I can put it on the floor where you'll be able to see it. Yeah. We're going to put it on top and we're going to tie it with the ties. So now we have something like this. We're going to get our bunny balloon. And we're going to tie, again, half of one. So tie it, just make sure you have sealed this little valve here. Go over it with your fingers to flatten it out. Make sure it's sealed together or the air will leak. So you're going to take the tail and you're going to just wind it up onto the balloon here. We're just winding it up. Curling it up against all the way to the top. Once you get to the top, make a knot. And then you're gonna tie this onto these balloons here. Make it nice and tight so the head can stand up straight or it's just gonna flop over. All right, now we have something like this. I'm gonna bring this over so I can set it up here. All right, at this point, we're gonna go ahead and we're going to make a little bow for it. So we're gonna do about 5 pumps. 5 pumps. We're gonna go ahead and tie it. You can let out a little bit of air. Tie it and then squeeze it. And that decreases the chance of it popping. And you're gonna tie it together. Both tails together. And then we're going to cut a little bit, not all the way, just a little bit off. Then you're gonna fold it in half and you're gonna twist it. Then with the same little tail that you left over, you're gonna tie into here, or you can use the tails that are left over from the other balloons to tie it in. Just do 2 loops around the bow in the center and tie it. So now you have the little bow. And then if you want to be a little extra, you could add some balloons on the side. So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7, we have about a handful of the tail left. Again, you're gonna squeeze it to help decrease the chances of the balloon popping. And then you're gonna tie it in to the side. And you're gonna use whatever balloon is left over on the neck to tie it in. You're gonna wrap it down here. We'll do the other side so you can see what looks like first. Now that you have them together here, you can go ahead and cut it. We have this much left over, so we're gonna cut it off. So you're gonna twist it at that point. You're gonna cut it. And you're going to tie a knot so the air does not come out. You're gonna do that to the other side. You can bring them together and kind of, so you know the same length. You're gonna do the same thing. Twist it. These scissors don't cut. All right, now that you have them like this, you can go ahead and tie them together. Down at the bottom, make a knot. And then just put them in. And you're done. And then just kind of put it back together. Fix it however you want. And there you go. And this will last probably a good week like this if you bag it up and leave it in a dark, cold place. Don't put it by the sun, and you can make it up to a week before you need it.